Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete a micro task on GainWorkers and get paid. Starting on your dashboard, browse through the available jobs and select the one you want to do. For this example, I've chosen this YouTube task. Let me click on it to open the instructions. Before you start, always read the instructions carefully. Once you understand the rules, click Accept Job to lock your slot. This opens up the submission form where you'll submit your proof once you're done. Now, let me go ahead and do the work. I'll open the YouTube link in a new tab, watch the video, hit that like button, and click subscribe as requested. Make sure you complete every single step so your work gets approved. Now that we've completed the task on YouTube, let me switch back to GainWorkers and fill out the submission form according to the employer's instructions. Once all required details are entered, hit Submit. As you can see, we get a success message confirming our submission. If you go over to your task history, you'll see the submission listed there. The payout amount will also show up under your pending earnings while the employer reviews your proof. And that's how simple it is to complete a task and start earning on GainWorkers. Happy earning, everyone.